Who's hanging out together?
You and me.
You and me! High five! Yeah! We're having fun today, aren't we? Are we having fun today?
Yeah.
Where are you going? How do you feel? Do you feel better?
Yes.
You feel better?
Yes.
You still have a little bit of a temperature.
Okay, Mama made to cheat. Up in my hair. I don't need passy.
You don't need passy.
I'm tired.
Yeah, you can get your passy when you take a nap.
I don't have passy.
Do you like staying home with your daddy?
Oh,
Do you like staying home with daddy?
yeah. I do not.
We're not going to take a nap yet after you eat lunch.